Greetings, I'm Crazy Nelly and welcome back to F.E.A.R. Last time, we fought some spider ninjas, which I've got a feeling we'll be getting a whole lot more of them once I start entering these cramped spaces up here. And we found the break room, and we took a break. And that was about it. So let's continue onward. And I'm going to equip the shotgun, now that I found another one, because they have this thing for charging right up to you, and that is a wonderful thing. Oh, a wonderful thing when you have the shotgun. Alright, come on out. I know you're here. Oh, they always run back and forth. Nope. You hurt me enough. And they're peppering the area with more health packs, which is good. Because I was getting tired of having no health packs. I'm still reeling from 2 episodes ago. I really want no more gunship battles with nothing.
Alright, it's uploading. Looks like the Icarus program got shut down in favor of something called Perseus, which, from what I can tell, is funded by DOD. I'm guessing that's where Puddle and his soldiers came from.
Probably. You know, that's probably what all the DLC is about, all the expansions. I mean, there's a Perseus mandate, and then there's a Project Icarus, I think was the other one, and all these little buzzwords that they keep handing me. Anything here? Nope. Figured not, but... Oh. Oh, another one. I tripped over one, literally, this time. Okay. Aw, someone is very messy with their paperwork. This is what the in and out stacks are for. Oh. What?
Don't shoot! My name is Norton Mapes. I'm an engineer.
Shit, it's a civilian. Give him a comlink.
Whoa. Your cheeks are huge. Before I do that... Because I don't know if they're gonna, like, make me defend him immediately or not. Let's be careful. In fact, let me see something real quick. I'm gonna quick save, and I'm gonna shoot you right in the head. That did nothing. Okay.
Hello? Who are you people?
The good guys. Are you alright?
People with normal cheeks.
I'm having a hell of a time.
You said you're an engineer? Can you help me get into the network?
What am I, an IS lackey? Tell you what, you disable the local security system, and I'll see what I can do about the server.
Oh,
I
okay.
can disable it remotely once I'm logged in.
No, you can't. It's on a separate network.
He even gets trumpet comic music.
It's back that way.
Why do you want us to bring down the security system anyway?
Never mind why.
Feel pain!
You want my help, that's the price.
This guy should be going forward. He's invincible.
Just wait here.
Coward. You're completely bullet and hit proof. Actually, that was a nice picture. I'm kind of sorry I broke it now.
Ta-ta.
Oh, duh. I'm brilliant. Using the quick saves to itch my nose. Nothing there. Can't use that. Woo! Is this that guy's desk or what?
You have one new message.
Stop it.
First message from
Ian Hives. Norton, it's Ian Hives. Look, Alice Wade stopped by my office this morning. I feel a little awkward saying this, but, well, I really
gay.
need you to tone down the innuendo around her. It's not that I personally give a rat's ass, but the last thing we need right now is a sexual harassment case drawing unwanted attention to this task force. It's supposed to be a secret after all, okay? Thanks, Norton.
end of messages.
We start bringing the human rights guys in for the genetic super soldier program. Yeah, I kind of see your point there. We don't want that.
This is Bravo 12.
Uh-oh.
Copy, Bravo 12.
It's been a while since we've seen some normal soldiers.
Bravo 12 out.
They down? Yeah, they're down there. And that was my Skype. Something that I had totally forgotten to turn off. Man, is there only one guy? That can't be the case. Where is he? Okay. Oop, getting closer. Still?
Squad, check in.
I wonder if they can get hit by friendly fire. Where are you? Trying to shoot me from the other side of the cover here. Trying to shoot me from the other side of the plant holders. From this angle. That is S.M.A.R.T. right there. Come on. I want in. I want in there now. No, come on. Really? You're not gonna give me a way to get in there? How do you get in there to begin with? There's no door. It's just there to taunt me. It is entirely there to just rub in my face and say, no, 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 now. You can't have that. Neener, neener, neener. Jerks. I want it! Uh-oh. I'm getting like a little bit of a spider sense here. I don't know why. I'll take that though. Oh, a keyboard. Just what I need. Aha! Lots of weapons. Lots of... No. Give me my rifle. Thank you. Are you serious? I wasn't even pointed at it. No. No. Thank you. You're gonna make this really difficult, aren't you? Well, I guess I have the full amount of that anyway. 6 health packs, 4 grenades, ammo out the yin-yang, armor. Oh, this is a nice room. I like this room. Can I just stay in this room? Probably not. I wouldn't get real far. Can't defeat the super soldier program of psychic assholes if I'm actually in that room. So, nope. First 7. that. Let's see here. Well, if I ever need some copier paper, I'm set. Maybe I can throw paper airplanes at them. Wait, this is where I came. Yeah, this is where I came from. It's just a circle. Yeah, I was in here. That went into the fun room. So I went the wrong way somehow. Need to figure this out. There's in there, and then there's in here. Up. Once again, I'm being really, really cautious with the quick saves, because every time I don't, I get totally cornholed, and I don't like that sensation at all. No sane person does. So I'm gonna stop slamming my head into the wall and quick save whenever possible. You know, I do learn. I really do. My skull isn't quite that thick. Nope. But, wow, my sense of direction is way off today. Then where am I supposed to go? So yeah, I go down here. Maybe I'm supposed to fix it. Can't use those, though. This is kind of calm music. Doesn't go up there. That's the way that's above me. It's in here. I'm totally missing something here. That one isn't blinking. Oh, maybe there's a computer system in here and I'm totally... Yeah, I'm an idiot. Oh, nope. Uh-oh.
That should do it.
Mr.
Mr. Mapes, do you copy?
Okay.
Mr. Mapes! Where is that idiot? Fuck it, we'll just have to do this the hard way. Okay, find that server and reboot it.
Run, boy! Run! I knew it'd be useless. You didn't tell me anything I didn't really know before. Find button, press it. Pretty simple. I was expecting to see, like, 6 or 7 soldiers come out that grill when I did that, but... You're now getting somewhere. See, this is the way I came from, I think. Yeah, this is where Mr. Mapes...
Find him.
What? Where? Where are you? So they did come pouring in, but where? I know I heard you. It would be very easy to flank me, I will give you that. Because I have no idea where you are. And that is the worst sensation ever. The elevators are still offline. I'm gonna spend a lot of time in this corridor. Where are you? You'd think I'd have bumped into them by now. At this point, I'll welcome them, just so I know where I have to go. Oh, I have to go around. I have to go back where I was, because the security doors were that way. This is pretty great cover, actually.
Suppressive fire! Look out, grenade!
That just made things messier. Alright, one down. Come on out. This is the best cover ever. Well, maybe it wasn't if I went down that much, but I wasn't feeling it. Of course, once again, this game, one of my big problems with this game, and you know, this has been a pretty decent game, is that it has really no hit detection. It just, all of a sudden your health's down. And every other game I know has the opposite problem. Like, to where they, like, Call of Duty drives me nuts with, you know, the flashbang effects and the red stuff around your eyes after an explosion or you get shot at a bunch. I just like that. Whoop!
Team, take cover!
I can still hit you.
Get back! Where should I go?
Hell. Oh, I can't see them at all. You could hide an elephant in here. Whoa! Your clever tactic of backing all the way up almost paid off, soldier, but not quite. Oh.
This is Jen. We're on the roof, heading inside.
Copy. Proceed to rendezvous.
Is it Jen or Jin? Because it sounds like a Korean name, and I'm not 100% sure if it'd be Jen or Jin. Either would work here. But yeah, this looks like the server room. I don't know what I'm doing in the server room, but it's a server room.
Okay, I'm showing that the network has been rebooted. Good job. It'll take a minute for the system to come back online.
And... okay. Determine it with what? Smoke signals? Clairvoyant?
I'm moving in. Squad, take cover.
Oh, you can hit me.
Report. Suppressive fire!
Enjoy.
Grenade!
Whoa. Whoa. That's all you did, too? You suck at this close combat.
I'm taking fire!
I'm sure you
Take
are.
him out! Get to cover! I need help!
And I burned through all of my health packs again. And that's just a computer tower, so that doesn't really help me. I thought there was a health pack, and I was going to run after it. For a second I thought there was a flat screen monitor, but it's not. Where am I getting this information from? Did I miss, you know, was I at a computer and I'm just too dumb to realize?
That Mapes guy was right about security being on a separate network. I can monitor the camera feed, but I don't have any direct access to the system.
Cactus! Ah, I can't knock you around that much. I thought for sure I could just flail you around the room. Have you ever been so angry you just start swinging a cactus? Oh, this isn't like Duke Nukem, where a water fountain could help me. This place looks unpleasant. This place looks really unpleasant. Okay, that was a disintegrating guy. But nothing that could hurt me yet. I thought that was a turret for a moment. It's just a wet floor sign, I think. Under construction. Okay. I was hoping it was one of
Heading
those...
toward the last known location of that Delta team. Secure the site and wait for Jen.
I was hoping it'd be like those wet floor signs, because a lot of them have like 3 languages, including German, and then they'll just have Achtung on there, and I just want to write Panzer alongside them. Ah, there we go. Huh? I'm surprised I haven't had stuff thrown at me yet.
You've seen her, haven't you? She is the original.
I just picked up Puddle's transmitter somewhere ahead of you. Be careful.
I was made from her, and I was born from her. We are separate, but we are one.
Oh, stop that. And all of a sudden I've been given 2 or 3 health packs. 2 health packs. And that guy doesn't sound distorted. I'm beginning to think he's real. Or at least in some quasi-paranormal sense. Where is he? Oh, stop it. Where are you? What the? So this is real. Oh, I don't like this. Back off.
She is a prisoner, floating in darkness, like the unborn in the womb. Soon I will find her, and I will set her free.
That's nice.
Shit, I lost him again.
You're doing her a real favor, man. Unless you're doing her a real favor, as long as what you mean by setting her free involves caving her head in with the butt of your gun, then I am totally going, yeah, help her out. If it involves teaming up with her, then no. Or setting her free from whatever prison she's in, no. Okay, now we're getting creepy. Oh. You know how hard it is to mop a ceiling?
My God.
Oh,
What do you think,
you're on
Jen?
my side.
There was a lot of anger in this room.
You think?
That's great. Got anything useful to add?
I don't see any bullet
Oh,
holes.
you're psychic.
There's no brass lying around either. These guys didn't fire a shot.
Then what killed them?
I don't know.
Well, figure it out. All right, buddy, get moving. Battle's got to be close.
I'm not even sure where to start. Almost complete liquefaction.
You sure you
Maybe a
can't conduct an
chemical agent?
autopsy in a puddle?
This is going to take some time.
This is actually pretty hilarious dialogue you're throwing out there. Alright, guys. This is like the exact opposite of the break room, but it's as good a place as any to hold off. I mean, it takes a long time to autopsy a puddle. So, I'm calling it here. If you liked what you saw, please hit the like button, and as always, click the nut on your way out.